Hey guys, welcome back. Today. We're unboxing the WD Green 480GB SSD, setting it up and testing its speed using a USB 3 adapter. Let's see if it lives up to the 545 MB speed claim on the box, or if reality is different. Inside the box, you get the SSD itself and a small user manual, no extra cables or screws, just the essentials. It's lightweight and has a clean premium look. Now let's talk about warranty claims. If your SSD stops working, doesn't get detected, or starts causing system crashes, you might need a replacement. WD offers a 3-year limited warranty. Alright, if you just plugged in your brand new SSD and it's not showing up in Windows, don't panic. That's because it's an unallocated disk, which means we need to set it up manually. Here's how to do it. Open Disk Management and right-click Start in Disk Management. Look for the unallocated disk. It should be the SSD. Simple volume follow lead. And that's it. Now your SSD is ready to use. To test the real-world speed, I'm using Crystal Diskmark, a popular benchmarking tool. Speed test results. Read speed 39 MB, write speed 40 MB, advertised speed on box 545 MB. Yeah, that's a huge difference. But keep in mind, I'm testing this through a USB 3.02 adapter, which is likely bottlenecking the speed. If you install it, direct speeds should be much better. If you're upgrading from an HDD for basic tasks, it's fine. But if you need high-speed performance, you might want to look at an NVMe SSD instead. Have you tried this SSD? What speeds are you getting? Let me know in the comments.